Okay, so I got the starter out. It was actually pretty easy to get out of the truck. Disconnected the wiring and the linkage, and right there on the bell housing is the hole where it went. And yeah, so we got that out. Okay, so now we have it on the bench. I got it all taken apart. So yeah, there's the starter all taken apart, and here's the old Bendix right here, and here's the new one. And yeah, we got this one from Lordco, and obviously, as you can see, they gave us the wrong one because it's way too short. So yeah, we'll have to go to Lordco and take this one back and get the right one. Okay, so this is the starter for the 55 Chevy. So I took it all apart, and everything looks to be good. The winding looks to be in good condition. The brushes seem to be okay. But so we're replacing this starter Bendix, and that's because it wasn't engaging properly, I guess. And so yeah, when you'd step on the starter thing, every time, like, it wouldn't always like start. It would like stick fairly, like it would stick out or something. So yeah, I cleaned this all up and cleaned it with contact cleaner, and I'm just putting it back together right now. Putting the new Bendix on, and we grease this, and yeah, so we should be putting that back on, and then it should work fine.
Okay, Zachary's going to start the 55 Chevy after rebuilding the starter. Did you pull the choke on?
Yep.
Okay. Starter works good. Too bad it won't start. Go.